Have you ever wondered how the universe was created? If you don't, here's the answer. Well, the Big Bang is a theory of how the universe was created, not a TV comedy. The Big Bang was a fireball of radiation at extremely high temperature and density, but occupying a tiny volume that is believed to have been formed. This expanded and grew extremely fast at first, and then exploded and the galaxies and planets were formed. And nowadays, the universe is still expanding.
Sorry, I stayed in the part where you were saying that the universe was a campfire or something like that.
No, it's not a campfire. Well, whatever. This marked the origin of the universe.
What was before the Big Bang? Oh, I know. It was a white room.
Oh, no, it was certainly not a white room. Before the Big Bang, there was an era called the Planck time. Nobody knows what happened in that era. But it wasn't like a white room at all. It would be transparent, borderless, and with no gravity.
Sorry, Dr. Bang. I heard there was a thing called NASA.
You know what? It's called NASA. NASA is the Mexican Aeronautics and Space Administration. I'm a worker of the NASA. NASA is a governmental space division where all space missions are made. The acronym for NASA is National Aeronautics and Space Administration. NASA's birth was directly related to the pressures of the Cold War, a broad contest over the ideologies and allegiances of the non-aligned nations. During this period, space exploration emerged as a major area of contest and became known as the space race. Oh, like the Star Wars pod race in which Anakin won? No! A better technology race. What? The first project to send American humans to space was the Mercury program. The most famous project was for sure Apollo. The first Apollo to get to the moon was Apollo 11. But there are some people that think it was just a movie to put Americans one step ahead of the Russians.
Do you know what galaxies are?
No, I don't.
Anyway, galaxies are spread space systems composed of dust, gas, and lots of stars. Some galaxies are similar to our Milky Way galaxy, while others are quite different. Galaxies that have less than 1 billion stars are considered small. Galaxies are classified into 3 main types: spiral galaxies, elliptical galaxies, and irregular galaxies. So spiral galaxies are slides? That's so cool! No, they are not slides. The Milky Way is made of milk. Can I drink it? No! Galaxies are formed of stars, and the Milky Way is a typical galaxy. It has hundreds of billions of stars, enough gas and dust to make billions more stars, and at least 10 times as much dark matter as all the stars and gas put together. And it's also held together by gravity. The Milky Way has a spiral shape. Astronomers conclude that at the center of the spiral there is a supermassive black hole. Hi, I am Dr. Wormhole. Do you know what stars are? I know! Stars are the things in Hollywood! Wait, no, I know. They're famous people, right? No! Well, yes, but I'm talking about stars in space. A star is a sphere of gas held together by its own gravity. Stars are born within the clouds of dust and scattered throughout most galaxies. As the cloud collapses, a dense hot core forms and begins gathering dust and gas. What do stars use to get rid of the dust? Do they have trash bins? Of course not. Just forget about that. The outflow of energy from the central regions of a star provides the pressure necessary to keep the star from collapsing under its own weight and the energy by which it shines. In general, the larger it is, the shorter its life is. So if I am really big, I will die sooner? No, I am talking about stars.